In this video, I am going to show you how to connect the Thrustmaster T300 racing wheel to your PS5 in 2025. First, ensure that your Thrustmaster T300 wheel is updated with the latest firmware. You can do this by connecting it to a PC and using the Thrustmaster Firmware Update tool. Next, plug the power adapter into the T300 wheel and connect it to a power outlet. Once powered on, connect the USB cable from the wheel to one of the USB ports on your PS5. Make sure your PS5 is turned on before connecting the wheel. After connecting the wheel, the PS5 should automatically recognize it. You may need to adjust the settings in the console for optimal performance. Go to the Settings menu on your PS5, then navigate to Accessories greater than Controllers, where you can configure the wheel's sensitivity and force feedback settings. Finally, launch your favorite racing game, and the Thrustmaster T300 should be ready to use. Enjoy an immersive racing experience. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.